As promised, I'm going to show you how to fold a shirt in 4 to 7 seconds. The more you do it, the faster you get. Watch this video as often as you need so you can get good at it. Here are the steps. The first step is for you to lay the shirt flat on a surface sideways. You see, so my left hand is on the top of the shirt, my right hand is on the bottom. Now you're going to envision an imaginary line that begins at the half of the shoulder and goes all the way to the bottom. You see this invisible line? You're gonna grab the middle of it with your right hand, and with your left hand, you're gonna grab the beginning of that line. The next step is for you to take this and connect it all the way on the opposite side. Now you're gonna pinch both the top and the bottom of the shirt. Remember, your right hand is still holding where you pinched originally. Now you lift it and dangle it. You see what happened there? I'm holding the pieces. And then the next step is to drape it and fold it over. You see that? Now you can fold it in half and you have your nice design. Okay, so that took way more than 7 seconds, right? That's okay, it's because I'm explaining the details. Now I'm gonna do it full speed. Now remember, save this video, share with someone that needs a hint on doing the laundry faster, and share it with someone that's gonna like it. I'm gonna do it fast. Look how fast I can do it this time. All right, here we go. Flat, middle. See that?
That's how you do it.